Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones Vidonn F3. So basically these headphones have only one control, is located at the right headphone. Here it is. And to play or pause the song you need to press one time on this button. I just paused it, I press again and I play a song. To play next track you need to press 2 times on this multifunctional button. 1, 2, here we go. And to play previous track you need to press 3 times on this multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Also, what we can do with this button? We can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And you need to press and hold on this multifunctional button for at least 3 seconds. And after that, release your finger. So 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Also, with this button, you can answer the call by press 1 time when somebody called to you, and reject a call by press and hold for at least 3 seconds, like the same with voice assistant. And with this button you can also turn on and turn off your headphones. To turn off it, just press and hold on it until this LED light turns into a red, and to turn on it, just press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!